Windows are one of the most important features of any home. They impact energy efficiency, security, curb appeal, and overall comfort. For homeowners in Tysons, VA, where seasonal weather changes can be extreme, investing in high-quality windows is essential. Here's why quality windows matter and how they can enhance your home. Improved energy efficiency. One of the primary reasons to invest in quality windows is energy efficiency. In Tysons, VA, summers can be hot and humid, while winters can be bitterly cold. Poor quality or aging windows allow heat to escape during winter and let in unwanted heat during summer, making your HVAC system work harder. High-quality, energy-efficient windows with features like double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames help regulate indoor temperatures, reducing energy consumption and lowering utility bills. Enhanced home comfort. Drafty windows can create uncomfortable cold spots in winter and excessive heat in summer. Quality windows eliminate drafts and improve insulation, ensuring a consistent indoor temperature. Whether you're relaxing in your living room or working in a home office, well-sealed and insulated windows contribute to a more comfortable home environment. Increased home value and curb appeal. Windows play a significant role in a home's aesthetics. Worn out, outdated, or damaged windows can make a home look neglected, reducing its curb appeal. Replacing old windows with modern, stylish designs can dramatically enhance the look of your home and increase its market value. If you're planning to sell your home in the future, new high-quality windows can be a strong selling point. Noise reduction. And living in Tysons, VA, means dealing with traffic, construction, and other urban noises. Poor quality windows can allow excessive noise to enter your home, disrupting your peace and quiet. Modern windows with soundproofing features, such as multiple panes and insulated frames, help reduce noise pollution, creating a more tranquil indoor environment. Better security and safety. Windows are an essential component of home security. Older windows with weak frames, broken locks, or single-pane glass are vulnerable to break-ins. High-quality replacement windows come with advanced security features such as reinforced frames, impact-resistant glass, and multi-point locking systems, providing better protection for your home and family. Protection from weather damage. Tysons, VA, experiences diverse weather conditions, including heavy rain, snow, and strong winds. Low-quality or aging windows may allow water to seep in, leading to mold growth, wood rot, and structural damage. High-quality, weather-resistant windows prevent leaks and provide superior protection against the elements, ensuring long-term durability and reduced maintenance costs. UV protection for interior furnishing. Sunlight streaming through windows can cause fading and damage to furniture, flooring, and artwork over time. Modern windows with low-E glass coatings block harmful UV rays while still allowing natural light into your home. This added layer of protection helps preserve your interior decor and extends the lifespan of your furnishings. Reduced maintenance and longevity. High-quality windows are built to last. Many modern windows are designed with durable materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames that resist warping, cracking, and rotting. Additionally, new windows often require less maintenance, as features like tilt-in sashes make cleaning easier. Investing in quality windows means fewer repairs and replacements over time, saving you money in the long run. Increased natural light and ventilation. Natural light enhances the ambiance of any home, making spaces feel larger and more inviting. Well-designed, high-quality windows allow more natural light into your home while improving ventilation. Properly functioning windows let in fresh air, reducing indoor pollutants and enhancing overall air quality. A smart investment for the future. Upgrading to high-quality windows is an investment that pays off in multiple ways. From reduced energy bills and improved home security to increased property value and enhanced comfort, the benefits of quality windows far outweigh the initial cost. With the right installation, your new windows will provide long-term savings and satisfaction. Final thoughts for homeowners in Tysons, VA. Investing in quality windows is one of the best decisions you can make. They offer energy efficiency, security, durability, and aesthetic appeal, all while improving your home's overall comfort. If your current windows are outdated, inefficient, or damaged, now is the time to upgrade. Contact a trusted window replacement expert in Tysons to explore your options and start enjoying the benefits of high-quality windows today.